Back to another video on Mr. H's channel. Today I'm going to be replacing some gas struts on my BMW E90. It's a 2008 model, but as you can see here, come close, this one is completely sheared off here. It's completely busted from here, right? So I need to remove this, and I'm going to remove that one because I don't trust these ones in here. I've ordered some which have just arrived today. These are brand are they? They're Stark brand. They're from Germany. I ordered them from Autodoc. They've only just arrived today. So what I want to do first things first is make sure they are the right length. So if I put that against this one here, they are of the right length. So that's that. So that should go on. And the first one I'm going to attempt is to remove this one, this broken one. So I need to get my flathead screwdriver here, which fits into thing here. I need to remove this clip. Just roll really tightly. It's off now. Doesn't help as it's stuck behind the boot lid. There we go. It's out now. So this one is where it's broken off completely. It's not the original one that would have come from the factory. At some point, I guess this has been replaced on this car. So the new one that we've got, let's just open that one up and see the difference. This looks more sturdy, this one that I've got. Looks more weighty. Right, so now all this needs to do is push back in. Before I do that, I'm just going to clean all the gunk off here. I'm just going to grab a tissue from inside the car. So remove all the crud mounts up over the years, the dust and everything. Right, so now we need to make sure these are all facing, both of these are facing in the right direction to go this way. So start from the side. So that's in, perfect. Right, so now we have to repeat the same thing on the opposite side. Start with the bottom one. This is already started to break from the bottom here. This one is out. Can you just hold on to the trunk lid? Don't push it forward back. Busted here. The clip was not moving, so we'll repeat the same thing. Clean all the gunk off. Just the two old ones, that's the other new one. Again, I just want to check it's the same length as the one I've just taken off. You see the difference, how sturdy this one is. So these only cost me about £4 each from Autodoc. Now delivery to Dubai with Autodoc is a little bit expensive, but I got a little bit of a hack, which I might share with you in another video. So make sure that goes in there, that's in there, goes in there. So that's firmly in. Give it a wiggle. It's in. Let's check that side, staying up by itself. shuts and opens. Perfect. So there we have it, guys. Another video done. Sweating. Took me all of 6-7 minutes to do that. Nice easy job which you can do at home. Save yourself a bit of money. See you next time, guys.